Hey, this is Greg at Underground Graphics. Today we're going to do a real quick video for you just to show you how to put on the rear window decals on your Jeep JL. We have these for the JK as well. These are going to be I like to do these dry. It is a wet install vinyl. And again, we're just going to do a real quick run through. First thing we want to do is get that window clean. Again, I like to use that alcohol water mix. This is important. You want to make sure you're going to have a good bond with that adhesive. With that, you're going to need some masking tape, a pair of scissors, and a squeegee. Typically, if one's not provided, you can use a credit card, but I think we do give a squeegee in that kit. And I apologize for those garage doors rattling. It's a little windy here in Houston today. This is going to install the hinge method. A couple pieces of tape. You're going to have about a 1/16 of an inch, roughly, a little bit of border. So you've got a little bit of room. Again, this is pretty much cut to shape of that window. Get that where you want it. Shift it just a little bit. That's why we do give a little bit extra, because you are going to get a little bit of shift with that. And once you get this tacked, you can even do just to hold that in place, just to get started. Make sure that vinyl sticks to the paper. You may want to go back over the top of that with the squeegee just to make sure it's got a good bond. Again, if you want to kind of look at that, but really with this type of vinyl, you don't want that to touch first. You want to get that started on your inside and start working overlapping strokes. Firm pressure. And you can use the hard edge of that squeegee. That's what we're going to provide. If you do want a soft edge, if you're going to hit your paint, recommend you put a microfiber or a soft towel around the hard edge of that squeegee. And if you do get any bubbles in this, typically with these vinyls on glass especially, you can lift that up carefully, relay it back down. So if one's in here, you can pull that stripe up. You may want to tape to get that straight again going back. But it's not bad. You can also use a pin head or a needle to pop the corner of the air pocket. I think you'll see, I don't think we're going to have any bubbles in here. There you go. Guys, if you got any questions or anything, give us a call, give us an email. Be sure and subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.